Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring something awesome, the Eiffel Tower. But before we start, hit subscribe and check the link in the description to join our CivilMix Patreon for exclusive access to the Eiffel Tower, Revit model, and more. Let's jump into it. The Eiffel Tower. Look at this cool Revit model. Every part of the tower is here in 3D. It's like having the Eiffel Tower on your computer. But here's the cool part. You can download this Eiffel Tower Revit model by joining our Patreon. Click the link below. By joining, you not only get this model, but also lots of other 3D stuff for your projects. Ready to make your projects awesome? Join our Patreon today for the Eiffel Tower model and more. Your support helps us create cool things. Click the link in the description and join us. That's it for today. We explored this awesome Eiffel Tower model. If you liked it, subscribe and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.